That was very fancy of you. That was. Yeah. I'm like, I don't even know. Like, I saw that car and I was like, damn, she's not going to go, is she? And then I think you realised it before I did. You were like, damn, you are going so slow. And I was like, oh yeah, he really is.
Like,
you were
really
that
slow.
was so good. Really well done. Yeah, he was crawling.
Yeah.
Took me a bit longer to realise that though. I just saw a car. I was like, no. And
You're like, Ollie, don't.
Yeah. Yeah. So
I saw him come round and I went, as long as it doesn't speed up and I'm going quickly,
yeah,
I'll be fine.
Yes. Absolutely brilliant. Well done. We're going to take the next road on the right hand side.
Where that car's just